I urge you to define your own version of growth and leadership, and yes, success, by living and working intentionally, authentically, ethically, and with generosity of spirit.
When we feel that we can bring our full, authentic self to the workplace and have a true sense of belonging, this is when we can really harness the power of our different and multivariated experiences to drive greater success and innovation.
What I realized is that the enemy of success is actually not failure, it's comfort. Comfort is what keeps us from raising our hands to suggest the next big idea or speak up for ourselves.
So I'm Talisa. I slay patriarchy. That's what I do. All right. And I don't wear glass slippers. I roundhouse kick glass ceilings.